Liverpool's new hope shattered. Giovanni Leone suffers ACL injury on debut, faces months out. Giovanni Leone suffered an ACL injury on his Liverpool debut in the Carabao Cup against Southampton. The 18-year-old Italian defender had only just joined from Parma in the summer of 2025. Before the setback, Leone impressed with 6 clearances, 3 interceptions, 1 tackle, and 3 aerial duels won. Disaster struck in the 81st minute when he landed awkwardly in a duel and had to be stretchered off. His debut was cut short, raising major concerns for Liverpool. Fabrizio Romano reported that Leone suffered an ACL tear and will be sidelined for several months. If confirmed, he will require surgery and a lengthy recovery before returning to action. The injury is a major blow for Leone, who had shown promise under Arne Slot's management.